What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah, back with another video. I'm coming over a little cold, so please excuse my voice. The weather in Memphis has been crazy all over the place, but I got my boy T in the chair. We're using the cone to lift the hair out the scalp so we can take it down with this 1.5 guard open. By the way, we on the road to 1,000 subscribers. If you already subscribed, I greatly appreciate you. If you haven't already, please do. And go ahead and leave this video with a thumbs up, because this is gonna be a banger for sure. We laying that hair back down with that brush, making sure the old waves pop and getting everything back in place. My client is getting a mid fade with the C cup and a triangle shaped Gucci in the back. So we're gonna contour this bald guideline to his head shape. I'm not really a design guy, but one thing I can say is comb and keep everything crispy and try to get some sharp lines. And in this case, keep everything symmetrical. Now we're on to sitting in our second guideline with the lever open on our magic clips. We sit in this guideline like a ½ inch wide and like a whole inch towards the back. So we sitting in this guideline, making sure we get it established. Then we're just gonna work our way down, closing the lever little by little until this guideline is blended all the way. After going through the steps of working my way down, I'm attacking any small, little choppy, faint lines that I may have missed. Some people may call it detailing, but I just want you guys to know the further down I am, the more the lever is closed, and the higher I go up, the lever is open. Then I'm going to go into my number 1 guard with the lever open to sit in my third guideline, and I'm going to really replicate what I just did with this second guideline, work my way down and attack any faint lines that I missed, then move on to the next step. On to the next step, I got my number 2 guard, connecting the length on top with the blend, working my way all the way around. I'm starting off open, then I'm gonna go halfway, then finish with the close. As you can see, I'm coming off the scalp with this number 2, not trying to sit in another guideline, so this is what we call flicking out. I got my 1.5 guard going back with the grain. I got it open towards the top. Then when I get toward the side like I am now, I got it closed, trying to smooth it out a little bit more before I go back against the grain, connect that area between that 1 guard and that 2 guard. Your comb is your best friend when it comes to blending, because it brings their hair to the natural state so you can see what you're working with at that moment. After I finish going through these steps with my 1.5 guard, I'm going to grab my number 1 guard with the lever open and knock out certain dark spots. If you pay attention, you're going to see exactly what I'm doing and how I'm taking it to the next level. Now I'm back with my lever open, taking out this last faint line. This is really my detailing segment. You can use a 0 guard, a 1/16 guard, or a half guard, depending on what clipper you're using. But I like to use my lever open just because for me it gets straight to the point. I got like this because I ended up breaking my 1/16 guard before, and I had to sacrifice by just using my lever open and being careful. So I suggest you guys try to do the same thing. Don't break your guards, but challenge yourself. comment section below, you guys let me know what you think is more important, the blend or the edge up. I personally would say both, but if I had to choose one, I'll say the edge up. We knocking this front lineup area down with a #1 guard open, then closed toward the outermost edge. We just prepping, because the more you prep, the better the outcome. Hold and spray to lock the hairs into place, then we're gonna brush it down. I made a mistake and cut out me blow drying it, but I did. Now we are attacking the C-cup area, being a little cosmetic just because he has a small, very small C-cup area. Now that we got both the vertical bar and C-cup areas locked in, we starting directly in the middle, knocking off that widow's peak area that he doesn't want to keep. Working our way to one side, not going into his light areas, just making it crispy as possible, keeping it natural and staying consistent. Reading is fundamental, but combing is too. Hey man, when you sit in my chair, I just want to see you crispy, none more, none less. Using hair fibers as an enhancement, not as a cover up. We're just trying to get this front edge to be on the same accord all the way around. Go tell one of your other favorite YouTube barbers to check out my channel so they can tap in.
You gave. This on snap.
I know you were. I mean, what are you doing? I like you. I see you, baby. You didn't read that paragraph I had up with. I believe it. But I feel like we think I don't see a lot of detail. You don't see the detail on this. It's gold white, actually. That's the interior. It's gold white. Same thing.
You dig, it's your boy SliceGod LilNoah applying some more pressure. If you like this video, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. In the comment section, do whatever, man. Y'all go crazy. I appreciate y'all. I'm gone. Slap.